Maria Vivian Esaltria from Bachelor of Science Education with specialization in physics.
I am Alan Belmonte Masade from Bachelor in Social Science Education 4.
I am Mary Ann Bandojo, Bachelor in Education, Philippine Education 4.
So I am Fatima Esparres. I am a fourth year from Bachelor of Mathematics in Science Elementary Education.
Samantha Mulihan from Bachelor in Mathematics Education 4th year.
I am Zani Anel Pabusas from Bachelor in Mathematics and Science Elementary Education 4.
I am Harold J. Chavez from Bachelor in English Education 4.
Define excellence.
Okay, so for me, excellence is something where you have fulfilled all your responsibilities, not just recognition, not just from tangible things like certificates, but more on fulfilling all your responsibilities.
So I define excellence as the quality of being extremely good or outstanding.
Excellence for me means doing your best and striving to be the best on what you do. It's all about working tirelessly, improving continuously, and striving and achieving high standard. This is one of the core values of Philippine Normal University Mindanao, to be excellent or to be excellent teacher.
Excellence for me is a continuous improvement. So for me, it is a commitment to personal and professional growth, to striving our previous excellence.
So for me, excellence is about educating yourself beyond your sa limitations mo.
I can define excellence as care plus passion is equal to excellence. So care. C is for commitment, A for adaptability, R for responsibility, E for expertise, and last is ang passion.
Excellence is not just having a high grades. You have a kanang work ethics bitaw. You have a time management.
What strategies have you employed to cope with challenges on your journey toward achieving excellence?
So probably I think time management.
You have to believe in yourself. You have to believe in your capabilities na kaya na.
I work hard on everything I do, and this applies to my studies or academic journey, in which I work tirelessly on my studies.
Siguro is self-discipline.
Of course, first is time management. Self-assessment. You need to prioritize your works, no?
First is positive mindset ka bro. Second is di ka mahadlok bitaw mga you have sa inyong classmates. And then ang third one kay passion nimo, dedication, committed ka sa inyong role.
I need to kanang study more para maka-learn ko, and then to have a kanang better knowledge
Any advice sa mga juniors that is as they thrive for excellence?
I think the best advice I could give sa mga juniors is that prioritize yourself.
Overcome yung fear, overcome na doubts with insecurity.
And my advice is to never stop learning, because this is a lifelong learning. So you should watch films that have impact in our society.
Focus on self-improvements.
My advice is learn from your seniors.
As a senior, ang akong advice lang sa junior namo or kamo is if naibag mo opportunity, like, mindset lang din nga, honored ka.
Do not pressure yourself too much.